What's the solution for releasing your content to the market safely? Copy Protection International is here to give you the right answer. BALAS Secure Player, the most trusted platform for protecting digital content. If you're a content creator of video, text, or audio, and you want to sell your work without worrying about it being downloaded, recorded, or leaked, BALAS Secure Player is your solution. BALAS is a multi-purpose platform that enables you to encrypt your content, upload it to the cloud, deliver it securely to end users, and manage and analyze both your content and your audience. As a digital content creator, what do you really need? Easy encryption? Fast release? Trusted security? Content and user management? BALAS Toolkit is a user-friendly tool with a clean interface that lets you encrypt your digital content using state-of-the-art technology in just a few clicks. It may look like a simple toolkit, but behind that simplicity is the impenetrable security of BALAS, powered by exclusive technologies and an intelligent core. Once your content is encrypted, what's next? Fast, affordable, and reliable release. But how is that made possible? With just a few clicks, the upload feature in BALAS Toolkit places your encrypted content on BALAS's secure cloud, making it instantly available for safe, fast, and seamless access by your users anywhere in the world. All of this with just a few simple clicks. No technical knowledge required, minimal time, minimal cost. BALAS Toolkit makes it all possible. Protected content is delivered through the beating heart of the BALAS Player. BALAS Player, a secure, fast, and user-friendly player for each user. It's not just another media player. With a single download, users get secure access to their content anytime, anywhere. That's right, the content is downloaded but fully encrypted. BALAS is here, your peace of mind guaranteed. It's not just you, your users benefit too. Unlike streaming services, they don't need to re-download the content every time they want to watch it. No worries about slow internet or limited data. No frustration, just smooth, secure access, anytime, anywhere. Your valuable content plays smoothly, clear, uninterrupted, and free from distractions, keeping your audience focused on what truly matters. We don't let a rough path diminish the value of destination. What if your user doesn't have stable internet access? BALAS Player isn't a one-way solution. It also supports encrypted content delivered via offline media, like flash drives, hard disks, CDs, DVDs, and more. At BALAS, both content security and user convenience matter. Content and user management, the lifeline of your business control. With your dedicated BALAS portal, you can easily manage users and control access with confidence. Licensing system, access control, sales management, business model creation, and hundreds of advanced options, all available through your BALAS portal. Access permissions can be updated even after encryption directly through your BALAS portal. You can add, remove, or update specific content at any time, track engagement with each user, and schedule content availability. Even disabling season, chapters, or sections on your terms. You can also configure the exact security layers you need, all from your BALAS portal. How much security do you need? Yes, you decide exactly how much access each user gets. What does it take to release your content securely? Preventing screen recording? Preventing both physical and virtual printing? copy-paste protection, screenshot protection, watermarking your content, blocking access inside virtual machines. How about protecting against external screen capture or stopping unauthorized output via HDMI and VGA ports? Or even disabling copyright-infringing plugins before they act. You don't need to choose. BALAS gives you all of it: knowledge, experience, creativity, performance, all in BALAS. Hundreds of security options, all at your fingertips. Request your free BALAS demo today. Your digital world is fully protected. You're backed by the power of BALAS. BALAS Secure Player. Powered by Copy Protection International.